this is the application. We can insert that someone. You can put some date here. If it is invalid, you have some error message. So after that you can create it. So it is in here, and so we can book a ticket. So there is a issue what that price is not updated because there is a simple tuple. I must add that to that simple tuple because so it is some mistake. So you can update it also. Like that, as well as you can add new one. So like that, right? As well as you can update this one. You can change if it is what you want, so you can update it like here, right? So as it is, you can delete that tuple. So the question is, so there is some questions. What is the difference between the data service and data access, right? Data access means all the SQL command, that class responsibility for connecting to the SQL server, but not to the DB. Not to the Oracle or MySQL. So all the SQL client classes are already in here. So if you want to connect into the MySQL or another data source, so we can create another just like another we think my database is access using system.oledb system.data. So we must connect to all the thingies, or we must create another separate class, and we must create OLEDB connections, OLEDB commands, all the things like that. All the things are done here, right? So I want to decouple the query part as well as data access part. So if it is, I put all the querying, that means those I used all the SQL clients, SQL command, SQL connection, SQL data adapters in the query part. So if I want to change another data source, it is some issue. So I must decouple the thing. I must decouple the query and the data source. Therefore, I used separate class libraries. So another thing is the BL class. BL class responsibility for some there is no some validation part or calculation part. So if I want to do some validation, example, if I connect that WCF, so ASP MVC part HTML, UI as HTML. So I must want to do some client side validation, so I can put here just now, not that in that case it is not necessary for that, but if I extend that one, I can put all the validations and all the validations and all the calculation part to beer class. So another thing is why I use the web API or MVC to the interfaces. So web service client, web service. So in that case, I was use WCF, but because I use WCF, I have lack of knowledge about WCF, but I used because it's easy to create. So I had a limited time, 3 hours, so I use WCF, but I have issue. What is that? I want to send image to the server. So I have struck that part. So I Google it, and there is some solving methods, some data buffering, increase your data buffering. So in at my home I created to the MVC. So because why it is some time based, but it is very scalable. So scalable low and maintainable low. So I can pass the image as a 64 base query string. So that's why I used the WCF, sorry, web API part behalf, not WCF part, right? So all the entities in here, it is not belongs to any coding, any layer. So so that's the project. Thank you.